We are going to be making more with this simple install. We are working on the Duramax. We are doing the resonator delete for the turbo, so you hear that sweet sleep. All right, so what you want to do to take this sucker off is you take a Torx screwdriver, you unscrew this guy, the long bolt, on your LLM Duramax, and then there is, let's see if I can get to it. There's two of those hose clamps right there that you adjust with flathead screwdrivers. You're going to want to get those loose too. Nice. That's beautiful. All right, guys, so we got the resonator off. I suggest for the top one right here, use a 8mm wrench, because I could not get my hands on it. So I had to use an 8mm wrench, and I had to hand unscrew it because it's just such an awkward angle. The 8mm bolt is facing towards the firewall, so that's fun. The bottom one, not so necessary. The top one you want to focus on though. But once you get that off, you'll have your resonator cap. This is what it looks like. You'll be putting it in that hole right there. You will need preferably a rubber mallet or hammer. If you use a hammer, be careful with installing this, because you could break the resonator cap. All right, so you want to put a piece of clothing, if you are using a hammer, and beat it down until it's flush. I'm gonna turn the truck over and see if it blows up. Okay, so if you do notice anything in terms of the turbo being louder, it's going to be inside the cab, not outside, no exhaust. But the truck didn't blow up, it didn't have any hiccups, so I'm assuming it's a good install. If you guys want to see footage of me driving down the road, see if I can hear it or not, first reaction, follow. I'm making a Duramax channel on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys.